Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today's hair video is sponsored by WeQueen. If you're interested to see how I slayed this beautiful headband wig, then just keep watching. The wig came in this box. They sent me 4 different headbands. They sent me a bag to put the wig in, some wig caps, and some instructions on taking care of the wig. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box, y'all. I love the color of it. It is so pretty. The inside comes with 4 different combs and it has adjustable straps. So now I'm just going to show y'all what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. And when I tell y'all, it is so beautiful, like I said before. Also, I try to give y'all a little bit of baby hair action because I usually don't do anything with my baby hair, but I try to switch it up. Whenever I am applying my headband wigs, I always have to pin my hair up first. It just helps me to make sure that I can secure the band of the wig in the back. So after I put the wig on, I must say I love this color on me. It matches my eyes. And also, y'all, this is what the curls are looking like without any manipulation, water, mousse, anything. And I love it. I'm just pulling it back in the front so I can show a little bit of edge. But if you don't want to show your edges, you don't have to adjust the band in the front at all. So this is what it's looking like in the back, y'all. It falls on me perfect. And yeah. So I'm getting ready to start styling the hair. The first thing I like to do is comb out the curls with a wide tooth comb. Then I'm gonna go in with my water and my mousse. Also, this hair does come style ready, so you don't have to add mousse and water when you first apply the wig. I'm just doing this by choice and to show y'all what the curl pattern looks like. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like after I have added my mousse, combed the product in, and added my water. So yeah, the curls look so good. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna show y'all the different headbands that they sent me and let me know which color you guys like the best. One thing I did like about WeQueen is they sent very neutral headbands, which I like. They weren't like very colorful or anything like that, or had a bunch of designs on them. So you can pretty much wear these with anything. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna be showing you some different hairstyles that you can rock if you do not wanna just wear your headband wig down. So yeah, I'm gonna show you 3 different hairstyles. Y'all, why can't I get this out? This is my second take on this. Let me know what hairstyle you guys like the best. So that is going to wrap up this video, y'all. If you are interested in this wig, make sure that you use my discount code. So when you're purchasing this wig to get 15% off, make sure you use Kera Nichelle. Everything about this wig is going to be linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.